Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix No, I'm Not a Human crashing on Steam. First, you need a PC that meets the minimum system requirements for the game. Then, make sure your graphics drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel are updated. Have the latest version of the Steam client installed. Then, ensure your Windows updates and DirectX runtime are stable. To fix the crashing issue, restart Steam and your PC before relaunching the game. Then, verify the integrity of game files in Steam to repair any corrupted data. Next, update your GPU drivers and disable any outdated overlays. Now, run the game as administrator or in compatibility mode if needed. After that, disable background apps like Discord overlay or screen recorders that may conflict. Then, check antivirus or firewall settings, as they may block the game. Lower in-game graphics settings to reduce load on hardware. If issues persist, reinstall the game or contact Steam support. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.